consuming 700 gallons of fuel per second.
February 15th,
Starlink payload continues to be healthy.
2021.
The Falcon-9 team is tracking no issues on the rocket.
This rocket's getting ready to go here in just a few seconds.
Weather is still looking good, and the range is great for launch. And you just heard that call out.
It should be going in just a few seconds right now.
Now, in a few seconds from now that LOX loading is complete, we will clear out that
60 StarLink Satellites.
Transporter erector, so you will see some venting here.
Putting up, this is going to be 1,000 satellites total right now. If you haven't put down $99 deposit, now it's time to do it.
On your screen.
All right.
And at T-minus 1 minute, coming up in about 15 seconds.
I think we've already had a liftoff. This is delayed a few seconds.
Startup, and the first and second stages will begin to pressurize for launch.
So this is February 15th, 2021. And we should be seeing that bad boy roll up here.
So that call out, Falcon-9 is in startup.
It's in startup mode.
Waiting for the final go for launch in a few seconds here.
Falcon, StarLink, LD is go for launch.
And there is that call out that we are go for launch. So at
There's the sky lighting up, folks.
At T-minus 30 seconds, all systems are go for launch. So let's listen into the terminal count.
There she is, folks. Look at that, coming up behind the trees. There she is. What a beautiful sight. SpaceX Falcon-9 rocket, 66 satellites.
StarLink Satellites to orbit. And we are throttling down that first stage in preparation for Max Q. Max Q stands for, and there's that call out for Max Q. This is the largest structural load that the vehicle sees. Now, coming up in about a minute, we'll have 3 events happening within seconds of each other. That'll be main engine cutoff, or MECO.
Going through some clouds right now, folks.
And SES-1, or second engine start 1. Now, MECO is where all 9 of the M1D engines shut down, and that slows the vehicle down in preparation.
Following a nominal trajectory.
That slows the vehicle down in preparation for the second event, stage separation.
MVAC engine chill has begun.
And stage separation was where the first stage separates from the second stage. First stage will make its way back to Earth, while second stage continues on its journey with SES-1, or second engine start 1. And that's where we light up the MVAC engine, and it will propel the second stage along with the StarLink satellites to orbit. We're just under 30 seconds away from those 3 events. Again, that is MECO, stage separation, and SES-1. We've got a really cool view of the first stage and those 9 Merlin 1D engines burning bright.
Not going to catch the rumble tonight, folks. Wind's blowing out of the south. Blowing it away.
Stage separation confirmed.
It's Mitch Bromwell.
And there you saw MECO and stage separation. On your left-hand screen is the first stage, with the right-hand screen being the second stage. You can see SES-1, that MVAC engine is now glowing bright red there. And in a few seconds from now, we should have
Mitch Bromwell. God bless you all. From Cocoa, Florida. God bless you all, and God bless America.